Welcome student. Now we start with the topic of machine or upset forging. Machining forging is also called hot heading operation. It consists of applying pressure longitudinally on a hot bar which is gripped firmly between grooved dies to upset or required to portion of its length. For forgeable metal can be upset through this process. They may have a shape of cross section, but round shape is mostly commonly used. The equipment used for this type of the forging is known as forging machine or upsetter. The machine provides forging pressure in horizontal direction. The die are so designed that the complete operation is performed in several stages and the final shape is attained gradually. The operation is performed by using die and punch, which is called heading tool. As shown in this figure, when the force is applying with the help of a ram and our workpiece, which is as you see in black colored, this is the workpiece, this is the ram, and this is the container or die. When the force is applied, the as you see, the first deformation is like a spherical shape, then it convert into a the increased diameter of the rod. So main operation of upset forging in increase the diameter of the rod. ठीक है. Between the heading tool and the die, the mechanical stop is the place which determines the correct projection length of the bar. After the bar has been gripped firmly with its correct length projection outside. Many such stock are required to complete the upsetting. Forging of the ring, rod type with all kind of the head and shoulder such as to be bolt, nut. It is the most important question which has come in exams. Which operation perform to produce bolt, nut, washer and collar. So upset forging process is used to make this bolt and nut type of structures. Advantage of machine forging: the quality of the machine forging is better than the other forging method, because we know the machine not applying a more force compared to manual forces like hammering or other processes. In machine forging we applying more force compared to other processes. The die carry no draft, hence flesh is the produced on the part is in this operation the flush is not produced because it have no draft. Better dimensional accuracy can be obtained with the help of this forging process. Piercing can also be done with considerable accuracy. Forging machines have higher productivity and their maintenance is less expensive than the other method. The process can be automated. Uh, because we use the machines, so it now in this in market available different type of automated machine. When we put or fix our workpiece on the machine, it automatically done the operation without any human efforts. Now we talk about disadvantage of machining forging. Due to metal handling difficulty, heavier component cannot be forged easily. The component have diameter more than 250 mm cannot be forged by this process. Intricate or unsymmetrical components are difficult to forge. Tool cost is also high. Now we discuss about roller forging. In roller forging, a process consists of placing raw stock between two roll dies, which are of semi-cylindrical form, are grooved to impart a desired shape to the workpiece being forged. As you see in this figure, if we want to increase or decrease the cross section area of the billet or rod, then we use rolling operations. As shown in first figure, the roll of open condition with the heated workpiece in the tongue and testing on guide. The roll are brought together with the stock grip in the grooves of the roll. The rolling action forces the stock toward the operator. When the die are again in the open condition, the stock is placed in the appropriate groove of the roll and the operations are repeated until the required shape is not obtained. This process is also used to make large reduction in the cross section and distribution of the metal of a billet, hence saving considerable work in the forging hammer or presses. By using roller forging, parts such as knife, blade, automobile drive, shaft, axle, leaf spring and gear shaft levers are made. Now we discuss about different type of forging operation. As we discuss about the upsetting process, where we in this process we increase the diameter of a rod with the help of upsetting process. Now we discuss about drawing out or drawing down process. Drawing out is exactly a reverse process to that of upsetting. In upsetting process, we increase the diameter of a rod, but in drawing or drawing down operation, we reduce the diameter of rod or cross section area uh, of the object, or also increase the length of the object. The desired effect is obtained by the use of either the pin or cross hammer, as you see in this figure. Now we talk about the cutting operation. In cutting operation, cut of a chiseling whereby the long piece of stock is cut into several specified length, or a forging is cut off its stock. A notch is also made about the one half of thickness or diameter of the stock. After that, workpiece must be turned through angle of 180 degree and the chisel is placed exactly opposite to the notch. Now we discover bending. Bending operation is to bend the rod or sheet with the help of edge of anvil or other perfect square edge of rectangular block. Okay, in punching and drafting, punching refers to operation in which punch is forced through a workpiece to produce a hole. The workpiece is the first heated and then placed on an anvil face. The punch is then forced into it up to about half its thickness. The workpiece is then turned upside down and placed over a tool called blaster. The punch is again forced into workpiece and made to pass through by hammering. Punching without using the die is generally followed by drafting. In drafting, the tool known as draft is made to pass through punch hole to produce a finish hole on the required size. Setting down operation. Setting down is the operation through which the rounding of a corner is removed to make it square by using a set hammer. By the putting face of hammer over the round portion formed by bending or folding of the corner. In like this type of metal we want to produce, but in the operation of forging it is like this type of structure is made. If we want to convert this structure this to this structure, we applying a hammering force on that side of object to achieve this type of uh, product or dimension. This is called setting down operation. In welding or setting is the principal operation performed by a smith. In this operation, a two sheet is which is up and down to each other when applying a force by the hammer, they can welded by the hammering forces. This is called welding operation. The forge weld is made by hammering together the need of two bar which have to be performed to correct shape and heated to welding temperature in forge fire. Thank you.